Hello my fellow investors, this is Andres and welcome to my channel. So I just completed my 41st week of investing on my M1 finance, and I can tell you right now it was a green week. It was a good week. So before I start, I'm just gonna let you guys know that I did not invest any money this week. And for you guys who are new to my channel, my M1 finance portfolio is called the Moneymaker. It started as a dividend investing portfolio, and it consists of 100% stocks. All right, let's go check how I did this week. All right, let's change this to week. All right, we're gonna save the no dividend for last, so we're gonna go to technology first. For this week, Nvidia, I gained $17.61, which is up 1.46%. Microsoft, I lost $8.68, which is down 0.78%. Skyworks, I gained $46.68, which is up 6.40%. Apple, I gained $4.97, which is up 0.66%. So my technology did pretty well this week. My only loser is Microsoft, which is down 0.78%. And my biggest gain is from Skyworks, which is 6.40% return. My technology for this week, I gained $60.58, which is up 1.60%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's get to my consumer, which consists 12% of my pie. McDonald's, I gained $12.66, which is up 2.06%. Procter & Gamble, I gained $2.23, which is up 0.36%. So as you guys can see, my consumers are winners for this week. I gained $14.89, which is 1.21% return. I did not earn any dividends. Alright, let's go to my finance, which is 8% of my pie. Visa, I gained $17.21, which is up 2.13%. So yep, another win for this week. Now to my industrial, it consists another 8% of my pie. For my industrial, I only have Honeywell, which gained $20.43, which is up 2.55%. I did not earn any dividends. Alright, now let's go to my last slice, which is my favorite slice right now. This is my no dividend slice. I should call this my growth slice because they are doing so well since I added them to this pie. My no dividend slice consists of 37% of my pie. Tesla, I gained $44.92, which is up 1.90%. Square, I gained $72.75, which is up 7.54%. I believe Square hit his 52-week high this week. Roku, I gained $76.32, which is up 9.63%. So same thing with Roku, I believe it hits its 52-week high. For my no dividends this week, I gained $193.99, which is up 4.71% this week. My no dividend did pretty well compared to last week. Last week I lost because Tesla went down a lot. So overall for this week, as you guys can see, all of my slices won. My biggest gain is of course from my no dividend, which is 4.71%. For my moneymaker this week, I get $307.10, which is 2.86% return. I did not earn any dividends. So yeah, this week was a good week. Hopefully this week will be another green week for me. So like I always say, keep investing. Even if you don't have that much money, it's good to start while you're young and while it's early. And of course, I'll keep growing that wealth. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.